All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 14, which is one of the NBA Fast Break card boxes. So we'll check the time November 14th at 6:18 p.m. We're going to go over to what we'll call the raffle and type live. And we have November 14th at 6:18 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Michael. Spot number 1 is your winner. So, Michael, whatever we have in box or break number 14 tonight is yours. You do have the option of me sending you that box still sealed or opening them live tonight, so let me know. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 14th, 6:19 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.